2025 April calendar. Eke, Ori, Afọ, Nkwọ. You can see that 1st April is on Tuesday and it is on Afọ day. So April started on the Tuesday, Afọ day, that is 1st. 2nd April, Wednesday, Nkwọ day. 3rd April, Eke day, Thursday. 4th April, Orie day, Friday. 5th April, Afọ day, Saturday. 6th April, Sunday, Nkwọ day. 7th April, Monday, Eke day. 8th April, Tuesday, Orie day. 9th April, Wednesday, Afọ day. 10th April, Thursday, Nkwọ day. 11th April, Friday, Eke day. 12th April, Saturday, Orie day. 13th April, Sunday, Afọ day. 14th April, Monday, Nkwọ day. 15th April, Tuesday, Eke day. 16th April, Wednesday, Orie day. 17th April, Thursday, Afọ day. 18th April, Friday, Nkwọ day. 19th April, Saturday, Eke day. 20th April, Sunday, Orie day. 21st April, Monday, Afọ day. 22nd April, Tuesday, Nkwọ day. 23rd April, Eke day, Wednesday. 24th April, Thursday, Orie day. 25th April, Afọ day, that is Friday. Saturday, 26th April, Nkwọ day. Sunday, 27th April, Eke day. Monday, 28th April, Orie day. Tuesday, 29th April, Afọ day. Wednesday, 30th April, Nkwọ day. This is how 2025 April calendar looks like. So like and share our videos. Use it in your daily calculation of days. Bye.